Today we're gonna have lunch with my dad, so let me show you what we do so that we can have rice. We're gonna eat poke bowls today. Papa, are you ready? 오늘 뭐 먹었어? 계란?
계란.
너희 집에서 먹을 거야. You need water?
어.
Okay, hold on.
얼마?
12. Yeah, it's good. Oh, I was waiting on you, bro. Get a half pound of the spicy aki and quarter pound of this one. Is that a half pound? Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
Yesterday. Papa. Yay!
괜찮아 이거.
Yeah. It's good. 116. So it's a little over 2 hours since I ate my poke bowl. And we're gonna test again. Ah! Oh, damn. Okay. Blood's out. Where are we at right now? 161. Not bad. It didn't spike up that bad, but it's gonna go down, so I ain't worried about it. My dad's one was really good. I forgot what his before was, but I did record it, so I'll post that up. But today, my sleep wasn't really that great, so I kind of assumed that I was gonna start off pretty high. So today, after eating, and then right before eating, and this morning was 120, so it did go up since I woke up. And that's how we do it. And I didn't use the turmeric pill because I usually eat that one at night, but I've been trying to see if I can kind of like skip a few days and not take it every day, so that I can just kind of get my body to get used to eating carbs like without it. So that's today's blood reading, y'all.